Yeah, you are welcome. I'll be teaching you how to make fading gradients transparent effect in Pixallab. Now, here we go. Now, the Pixellab I'm using is the premium Pixellab, but any Pixellab can do it. But what me I'm using is premium. So what we are going to do, first of all, as you can see, the background is white. I'm going to import the photo I'll be using. Going to import the photo I'll be using. Now, this is the photo. I'm going to adjust it a little. I'm going to adjust it. All right. I just place it here. Let me relatively position it to the middle. All right. So I'm going to pick a shape. I'm going to pick a shape. This is the shape. Now I'll bring it down. I will go to gradients. Now this is gradient. I'm going to make something like, now let me click this and click this plus sign. Now I'm going to take this red color out by clicking on this. Now drag this one down here and click OK. As you can see, so now this is the magic. I'm going to drag it up a little. Now if you can see, now before this is it, but I have covered it. Okay, so this is the magic. Yes, how to make fading gradient transparent effect in Pixellab. So I'm going to save it. I will save as a project first of all, so that I can, if I want to edit it later, I can still go back and edit it. Now I'm going to save it. Now if you want to save, always save with ultra. Ultra gives you best quality. I will save it. So it's on my phone right now. Stay tuned and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for other tutorials.